Hello, virtual 8th grade artists. For this week's creative challenge, you are going to be revisiting the contour line drawing, but this time it won't be a blind contour line drawing. So for this week, you are going to draw anything, and I found these little fake fall leaves that I'm going to try to draw today, and you are going to draw just the contour line drawing. So all you have to focus on are the outside and the inside lines. And I apologize, it's like I'm losing my voice a little bit today, but hopefully you can hear me all right, and everything's good to go. So I'm going to just jump right in. I'm going to start with the bottom stem lines. So all you will do for this week's challenge is you are going to find anything that you feel like you want to draw in the house. Okay, so you're not working from a photograph for this week's assignment. You're going to draw from something in front of you, okay? And usually I am able to tell if you're drawing from something that you're looking closely at versus drawing from a photograph. Things tend to look pretty different, okay? So all a contour line drawing is it is the outside detail lines and then some of the inside detail lines. But you're not concerned with color as much, and you're not concerned with shading or value or any of those things, okay? What you're really concerned with is how closely can you look at the object and draw exactly the details that you see in that object, okay? So really this week you have a lot of room for choice because you get to choose what you want to try to draw. So you can pick something that maybe you think is a little more simple to draw, or you can challenge yourself and you can try something that would be more detailed or trickier to try to kind of draw, okay? And it will take you a little bit of time. Just like every week, it does take just a little bit of time to kind of get the drawing assignments finished and complete, okay? So you're really just going to take your time, draw the outside contour of your object and some of the inside details too, okay? Whichever details that you notice and you want to include in your drawing. I know I'm trying to go quickly so you don't have to listen to me talk the whole time while I just monotonously draw a leaf in front of you, a fake leaf too. Okay? And that is really all that you're going to need for today's, or this week's creative challenge, okay? Do not forget, sign the bottom. So I'm signing Miss Duza at the bottom, okay? And I'm just going to write pencil and paper. Now, if I wanted to, I could go on, I could add color, but you do not need to add color for this week's assignment, okay? This is all that I'm asking from you, and I missed a couple little details, okay? So really all it is this week is drawing something in front of you, okay? So getting an object from home. It can be anything. It could be a water bottle, a hand sanitizer, it could be a piece of candy, it could be a fake leaf, okay? It could even be your mask, right? If you have a face covering mask, you could try to draw it, okay? And you're just drawing the contour line. So the outside lines that you notice in your object and some of the inside detail lines. Don't need to shade anything, don't need to blend anything, you don't need value, okay? And color is up to you. And make sure you sign the bottom and then attach it to a Google Doc and turn it in through the classroom. Okay guys, I hope you have a great week.